You purchased a vehicle at an auction such as Copart or IAAI to rebuild and sell for profit. But post-collision repairs can be costly. That's where MyAirBags.com comes in. Our battery, cable, and Pyro-Fuse repair services can save you a lot of money, allowing you to maximize your profits. At MyAirBags, we specialize in affordable repairs and replacements. Our services can save you up to 80% compared to purchasing new replacement parts. The Pyro terminal is a critical safety component. It cuts off electricity to the vehicle after an accident, preventing fires and other serious issues. Our battery, cable, and Pyro-Fuse repair services can save you a lot of money, allowing you to maximize your profits. From BMW to Tesla to Mercedes, many vehicles have battery Pyro-Fuse disconnect systems. And it's not just battery cables we repair. We also repair rollover bars, collapsible steering columns, hood actuators, and more. Send us the positive battery terminal cable. Our expert technicians will repair or replace it, restoring it to its original safe condition. And with our quick turnaround, we can repair and return your part to you in just 24 hours. Choosing MyAirBags is a smart choice because we offer reliable, cost-effective repairs that help you get your auction vehicles ready for resale quickly and safely. Visit MyAirBags.com today and see how we can help you save on essential repairs. MyAirBags, your trusted partner in vehicle safety.